Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: your phone number, an active WhatsApp account, and internet access. Once done, add the chatbot contact or scan the provided QR to open a chat. This links the bot to your account. Make sure to allow notifications and contacts if prompted. This enables message previews and smoother handoffs. Now send a simple greeting like "Hi" to initiate the session. The bot will usually reply with setup prompts, so you can continue configuring features. Once the bot responds, configure language and basic preferences so replies match your style. Use the suggested menu, numbered options, or command keywords to access features quickly. These structured inputs reduce misunderstandings. If the bot supports buttons or templates, tap them for faster results. Practice by sending a clear request, ask for a summary, set a reminder, or share a photo. This helps the bot learn context. Remember, concise wording improves accuracy, so be direct yet specific when you ask. To finish, verify that the bot completed your request and save any important messages or files. If messages stall, first wait a short moment, then restart WhatsApp or toggle your connection. Many issues resolve quickly. Make sure permissions and background data remain enabled and confirm the bot service status if problems persist. If you continue to see errors, re-add the bot contact or contact the provider's support. They can check account or rate limit issues and restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.